Scammers have found a new wave for the John, and it starts with an email that looks like it comes straight from OpenAI. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. According to cybersecurity firm Kaspersky, scammers are exploiting OpenAI's team invitation system to launch highly convincing phishing attacks that can lead to serious financial and data losses. The trick? Fraudsters register accounts and hide malicious links or phone numbers inside the organization name field, as most users never question it. Then they use OpenAI's Invite Your Team feature to send emails from legitimate OpenAI addresses, making the messages appear completely authentic. Once you get into it, game over. Kaspersky said these emails can easily trick users into clicking dangerous links or calling fake support numbers. Email content may be different, but the goal is to create panic. Some claim your subscription has just renewed for an eye-watering amount of money, while others offer different catchy deals. In many cases, attackers even call the victims to act immediately. This can happen to anyone, especially businesses where attackers can target multiple employees at once. Kaspersky is telling users to treat all unsolicited invitations with suspicion, even when they appear to come from trusted platforms like OpenAI. Users should always check URLs, don't call numbers and unrelated messages, and report suspicious activity immediately. Add in multi-factor authentication, but experts say it's not enough on its own. Kaspersky analyst Anna Lazaresheva said, "This case shows how even trusted collaboration tools can be weaponized. So if an OpenAI invite drops, don't click anything without thinking twice, because trust is exactly what scammers are counting on." For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like, comment, and share the video. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update. Google Pixel might soon become your first line of defense against scam messages, not just in your texts, but everywhere. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. A recent APK teardown of the latest Android system intelligence update hints at a game-changing upgrade: spam and scam detection expanding beyond Google's phone and messages apps. That means apps like WhatsApp, Signal, Instagram, and Facebook Messenger could soon benefit from Pixel's native security features. According to the report, the latest software found on the Pixel 10 lineup contains a hidden setting that suggests this broader scam detection system is already in the works. The setting appears to list multiple messaging platforms, including some surprising entries like X, and even the long-gone Google Hangout, which raises questions about how the current internal build actually is. Still, the potential is massive. If it works well, this feature could use Pixel's device intelligence to flag suspicious messages in real time across third-party apps. That's a huge win for privacy and security, especially as scammers get more sophisticated and move beyond traditional SMS. However, as with all APK teardowns, nothing is certain. Features found in early code don't always launch, and if they do, they may look very different by the time they go public. It's also unclear whether this will be exclusive to Pixel 10 or extend to older Pixel models like the Pixel 9, or even roll out to non-Pixel Android devices. Still, the message is clear. Your Pixel might soon be smarter than your spammer. Are you waiting for this update? Comment down your thoughts and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update. SIM cards are now available of Starlink's chip, which will give unlimited supply of lifetime internet and phone connections at very low prices. But wait, here's the lie. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. The residents of America and Latin America are seeing ads on their Facebook where the SpaceX CEO Elon Musk is standing holding a SIM card of Starlink chip offering low prices. The image is AI generated and is being used to scam people nationwide. The fraudsters are using this image to gain popularity, which they're already getting. They're claiming to give their customers excellent satellite connectivity in just $14.99 per month, and it'll help the customers stay connected anywhere in the world with total freedom. Although it is true that Starlink can power SMS-based text in cellular dead zones, but SpaceX has not made it available for global audiences. SpaceX partners only select wireless carriers such as T-Mobile to deliver this technology to specific markets. However, some Latin American users have said this fake offer is beautiful and incredible. How does this scam work? Well, if you click on the link, it'll direct you to a page with a questionnaire. It'll have questions regarding your current connection, and then the next page will tell you how getting this chip is a better idea. Later, it will show you 3 offers of different varieties, naming them lunar, future, and space plans. The scammers really put a thoughts in it. Once you select a plan, it'll trick you to make the payment on the scammer's Shopify checkout page. Meta hasn't perceived it as a scam yet because Starlink chip scammers have fooled Facebook's fraud systems by not mentioning SpaceX or Starlink in the ads text. Instead, the Starlink brand appears on the ad's image. That's very clever. So this is how people are being happily scammed, thinking they've taken a great deal only to lose their money in the end. What are your thoughts about this? If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Hey WhatsApp users! Tired of sketchy group chats? WhatsApp's new safety overview feature is here to protect you from scams. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech news. Let's dive into this game-changing safety tool. Meta announced WhatsApp's safety overview, a feature that helps you spot and dodge scams when unknown contacts add you to groups. With scam-busting tools and new chat warnings, it's a must-know update. Want the details? Keep watching. When someone not in your contacts adds you to an unfamiliar WhatsApp group, Safety Overview pops up with key info. Who added you, the group creator, creation date, and member count. You can review this to decide whether to stay or leave. No need to check the chat itself. Meta says you can exit the group instantly, keeping you safe from phishing and scams. WhatsApp's also testing warnings for new chats with unknown contacts, flagging potential risks. The platform's cracking down hard, banning over 6.8 lakh scam-linked accounts and teaming up with Meta and OpenAI to bust a scam center in Cambodia. These moves show WhatsApp's serious about keeping your chat secure. Safety Overview empowers you to take control, making it easier to spot shady groups and avoid scams without digging through messages. With scams on the rise, this feature, plus WhatsApp's ban hammer, can make your chats safer than ever. Is this the ultimate anti-scam tool for 2025? Look out for Safety Overview in your WhatsApp app soon. Check those group invites and stay scam-free. Have you ever dodged a sketchy WhatsApp group? Drop your story below. That's the scoop on WhatsApp's Safety Overview feature. Are you hyped to stay scam-free or got a wild scam story to share? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates. AI is making scams sneakier than ever. Wrong number scams are spiking in the US, and you could be a target. Welcome to GadInsider. Let's uncover the truth. Got a random text from Emily at the park? It might be a scam powered by AI, and it's costing Americans millions. Want to stay safe? Stick around to learn how. Wrong number scams are exploding around the US thanks to generative AI. McAfee reports 25% of Americans have gotten mysterious texts from unknown numbers. These aren't just random mistakes, they're scams, often called pig butchering. Scammers use AI to craft super convincing messages that feel personal, like, "Hey, it's Emily from the park." When and if you reply saying it's a wrong number, they keep chatting to build trust, setting you up for a big financial hit. These pig butchering scams are brutal. Scammers play the long game, acting friendly to fatten you up emotionally before pitching fake investments or opportunities that sound too good to be true. AI makes their attacks scarily human-like, tricking even the savviest people. Federal Trade Commission says tech scams cost Americans $470 million in 2024 alone. What's worse is that many of these scams are run by Southeast Asian crime rings using forced labor, luring workers from poor regions with fake job promises. AI is the scammer's new best friend. It lets them churn out personalized messages at scale, making scams harder to spot. That random text could be AI crafted to sound like it's from a real person. Experts say generative AI's ability to mimic human tone is why these scams are getting trickier. If the message feels oddly familiar or pushes you to chat more, it's a red flag. So, how do you protect yourself? Simple. Don't reply to unknown numbers. If you get a text from an unfamiliar area code or region, block it immediately. Never share personal info or click links in these messages. Scammers thrive on engagement, so ignoring them starves them out. Have you gotten a weird text lately? Share your story in the comments. That's the lowdown on AI-powered wrong number scams. Stay sharp and keep your info safe. If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more tech and safety tips.